Today we have the R-Series head assembly tool. You can find it at adikits.com. The tool has integrated spots to make sure that the valve discs do not get pinched. Simply set your valve body into the tool, and then take your valve disc and place them so they are free moving. Next, you will take the gasket. There's two holes of different sizes. The bigger one goes over the post that has the tabs on the side. If you look at the bottom of the head, you will see that it has the location for the tabs on one side. You can match this up, but you can also use the arrows that are on your head to line it up with the head assembly tool. Simply place this, and everything is centered. Next, take the two screws for the valve body, and with a 5/32 Allen, tighten them. Hand tighten these screws until they are snug. Once they are snug, grab your torque wrench. Make sure it is set to 70 inch-pounds, and tighten the two valve body screws. Once both screws have been tightened, simply remove the head from the tool, and it is ready to be used.